150 years with Star of the West all goes back to the Hubinger boys created a flour mill here in Frankenmuth, Michigan. And to this day, 150 years later, we're still processing wheat into all sorts of different blends of flour. That interaction of 150 years with customers and buyers domestically here in the U.S. has been a fantastic program and just a great heritage for so many different generations that have been a part of this company. We've developed from not only wheat flours, but into grain, corn, soybeans as well from a grain standpoint. And then in 1949, we developed a dry bean program. And then in 1998, we developed a food-grade soybean program as well.
The overwhelming majority of the growers that are part of our program have been with this food-grade soybean program for many, many years. And those are the growers that we go to, first off every year to fill our contracts with. They're great people to work with. They know the program. They know our food safety culture here at Star of the West with their food-grade soybean program, and are really a true partner in producing that high-quality product that we're looking for our customer. To ensure the purity of our food-grade soybean program and the quality that we want to deliver to our customers really starts from the foundation of the whole program, which is certified seed. We work with Food Chain ID as our certifier of the IP program, the Identity Preserve program, which certifies that our seed is non-GMO certified seed. That certified seed, once planted, is nurtured by our agronomy team, works with the grower, making sure that soybean growing season goes well to get us to a harvest. When the product is brought to our facility, we take a sample from a truck. That sample is graded for the product that we want to ship to our customers. That end product is how we grade to that. Once those soybeans are harvested and brought to Star of the West, they're stored at our facility in cold storage until we need them. And from cold storage, we test the soybeans again, grade them to make sure that initial grading is going to meet the quality that our customers are after. And we go through our milling process to clean the soybeans here on site and package them on site and also load them in our shipping containers on site, which is all part of our food safety program. Everything is carefully monitored from our pest management program all the way through documentation going 3 years back on everything we do.
The planning that we've had as a risk management company in a variety of different ways, particularly from a food safety and a food quality standpoint, led us to develop what happens if there is another pandemic? About every 100 years it seems like one comes along. So somebody at some point in time, not very long ago, asked that question, and we responded with, well, let's have a plan in place. So that's kind of how that came about, is just what risks are there to the company, thus to our growers, and thus to our buyers, and how can we manage those risks to limit any outcomes that might be on the negative side for all of us involved.
Star of the West certainly is a family-oriented business. The leadership really encourages new ideas, partnership with everyone involved, from our processors to our warehousemen to the staff that's in the office. We all work together to do our jobs because we're all part of that program to deliver quality to our customers. Star of the West does a fabulous job at giving back to the communities that they reside in. If it's Frankenmuth and its home-based headquarters, and how they've given back to Frankenmuth and really been a partner in Frankenmuth for over 150 years. So it's a really nice company to work for. I'm really glad I'm part of it.
My drive in my role is to interact with buyers and let them know that their concerns for their company and their consumer is our concern. So if they have a concern in regards to food safety, risk management of those food products going through their company to the consumer, that's who we are, and that's what we're good at. We're good at responding to what their needs are and what their concerns are, And we're good at understanding that and implementing those drives to create as few concerns of risks that they might have with a food product. We can manage that on this level, and we're glad to partner with them in any way we can to achieve those outcomes for them.